Alright, 2014 Kia Forte Oil Change. Let's make sure you put a little oil on the new gasket. $17mm socket. Always start it by hand. Always torque the spec. Hand tight. Engine air filter right here, you got 2 clips. Pull it out. Oh man, that thing's brand new. Put a new one in, and then just put the clips back on. Slide it. You got hinges right here on the back. Slide them in. If they'll go. This one being difficult. There you go. All right, let's see. Engine filter or cabin filter. Slide this little clip off right here. It just should pop right off. Yep. And then push the sides in, and then it should come on down. Oh, sorry, there's little tabs on them. Tab out. Tab out, and it just falls down. And then, cabin filter slides out. Put a new one in. Slide it back in. And put your clips back in. Line up the holes. It over. You're good.